You know where.
For how long? How much more will you keep up the lies? On and on. When you fight people because
What did happen here? What did I do for my papa land? What did they occur? Oh, Nabi. What did I do for my papa land? What did they occur for here?
I should be asking you what you are doing in my land.
My papa land, now you they call your land. How?
I paid Mazobia Jolie in full for this land. It belongs to me.
Okay. It be like say Mazi not send my message across to you. I tell him say, this my papa land, say I no go ever sell him. Say nothing go make me sell him. It no clear you. Oga, I beg, now smarty they vex me. Mona just come out from this land now. Mona come out.
Hey, young lady, calm down. Let's sort this whole thing amicably, okay?
I'm not the sort anything. Come out from this place now. Come out. Come out from this place.
But it's not about shouting. Just calm down. Let's talk about this whole thing, okay?
Okay. It be like say the way they talk small, you know, like it be like say you want time the hard way. Okay.
Hey, what I do?
Leave me. Leave me.
What do you think you're doing?
Leave me now.
No. Stop it.
Come on for here.
Drop the stick.
I'm not gonna drop him.
Okay. Listen, I'll let you go.
You have no right to give me condition, Oga. Oga.
Okay, fine. Just let the stick go, okay? Release it. Good.
They go. They go, sister. Come on here. They go. I see you. They go. Ole. Now what is my papa land? They go.
What a man can do.
See, I told you to let that girl be. But instead, you went there and got yourself into trouble. What is your problem?
I did a very smooth job, guy. Just that my stupid mouth puts me into this trouble now. And if anything goes wrong, I'll be the first person you suspect.
That is exactly what I'm saying. Is it not better let her be, like I advised you? Yes. That young woman is very hardworking. And she always minds her business. You know that. Unlike some other girls in this village.
Lotanna.
In a chint.
Lotanna, are you on my side now or our side? I hope it's not what I'm thinking of.
What are you thinking?
Working girl, where mind her business. Nothing concern her, whether you get money. On a little one boy, what you call a for. She does sell and wine as you buy, you they pay. She no get time for competition, no get your time. No get time for competition. She no get time for competition, no get your time. No get time for
Obia Dada.
Okay. Good afternoon. Okay, welcome.
Go to Mazi Obiajelo's house. Tell him I want to see my house immediately.
Yeah, okay.
She must say up and wine. Okay, without fear. She must say up and wine.
Mama, the girl like say I not come there with my machete. I for put mark for their body. I forgive them everlasting mark. I for put bingy jury for their body.
So, I went ahead and sold that land. After all you told him.
Don't mind that useless man we call himself my uncle. Cool. He get us a meter for there. I for use them as scapegoats.
My daughter, what are we going to do now?
Mama, every day I go to go that site. You see that site? Now there I go to sleep with. I go to visit them every day to obstruct their movement. Anybody when I catch for that place must collect. They don't know me. Oh. Now every day I go to visit there. Oh. Huh. To say I not go there now, they for don't back in my papa land. Like that. Hey! And me and them.
I would like you to take me to Enuma's house.
Oga. Oga, you say you want make I carry you go in Oma's house. No, now, Oga, you don't fit do that kind of thing now. Oga, why you want to demote yourself? Oga, you are a classic man. Wait, I go send person made and call and come give you here.
That won't be necessary, okay? Let me get my car keys and then we'll proceed.
If I follow you now, who could lock gate?
It's not a problem.
What's happening now?
Greetings, Mama.
My son, you're welcome.
Thank you, Mama.
What you go do for you? Okay, you can see my papa house. Eh? Okay, be like say that thing you won't come do. You know, say you and your papa will not get money to throw money around.
I did not come here to quarrel or fight. I came so that we can sort things amicably, okay?
I know they follow you sort anything amicably. I don't want to follow you talk. I don't already tell my uncle say I don't go sell my papa land, give him. Moko na leave me and my mama alone. We not go sell the land now by force. They come out oh.
I see you are not in the mood to talk. I will have to come back so that we can sort this whole thing out, okay?
No come back oh. No bother to waste your energy. Me, I no go follow you talk. The thing when you want talk, me, I no go hear you. No come back.
What you just did. Oh, Mama, I'll see you some other time.
Okay, my son.
Take care.
Okay, my son. Ngwano.
Eh?
Bye-bye.
Eh? What is on the phone for? Did they spread? It is how they see you. I know they see you.
Enuma. Come, my daughter. Sit down. Enuma, that young man look responsible. Huh? And I think he's a gentleman. You should have allowed him. You should have given him chance to hear what he has to say. Huh?
What did he want to talk?
Must everything be bam, 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 bam?
Mama, what else does he want to say apart from to beg? Make we say our land, give him, Papa. But I no go try him. You know, say all these rich people, they believe say if they get money, they fit get anything where they want. It no go happen, oh.
Enoma, I don't think it's that way. Eh? He's a irresponsible man, oh. Enoma, my daughter, everything is not bam, 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 barash, hash. Eh? You should have allowed him.
Mama, you take no say they responsible now. They go fit bubble your head, though. Which one be they responsible? I beg.
Oh, wow. Oh. Ah. Oh my world. Ouch. Hello. Hi, Mommy. I didn't know you were coming back so soon. Welcome back.
Yes, thank you. Thank you. So, how have you been?
I've been here. You didn't tell me you were coming back so quick.
I'm so sorry about that.
How was your trip?
Fine, smooth. You know, I'm sorry for not telling you, but I took an annual leave from work so I can spend more time with Izu before our marriage.
That was a good move. Yes, you did well.
Thank you. So, Mommy, I actually got something for you.
You did?
Yes, I don't know if you like it though, bruh. Hopefully you will.
Oh my God!
You're my mommy, so
You know why I love you. You know how to get me.
right?
Yes, you
But if I
do.
don't take care of you, who will?
Ask me.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
Okay, here we go.
okay. Uh-huh. Gracefully.
Yes, and this is the earring.
Oh, this is lovely, baby. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, mommy.
Oh, thank you so much, my darling.
You're welcome, mommy. You're welcome.
I can't wait to see the faces of some people when they see my gift.
Mom!
What?
Don't look for trouble.
It's mine. It's mine. Oh my God.
And that's the earring.
Yes, and it's very beautiful.
So, Mom, where is Izu? Where is Daddy? Where's everybody?
Oh, Izu went out. He will soon be back, I'm sure. Daddy's in his room.
Okay.
Sleeping.
All right. And you, I hope you've not been stressing yourself.
Why will I stress myself? No. I've been cool.
Are you
and
sure?
now I'm going to be cooler.
Don't worry, I'm back now. So if you need anything, call me.
I know. I kind of missed you. You know that?
You will miss
I
me.
missed you. Welcome back, honey.
Thank you.
Amuche should be in the kitchen, so go grab something to eat.
For how long will you hide the sea? For how long? For how long? How much more will you keep up the lie?
Son, how are you?
I'm fine.
How did it go?
It went well. Dad, do you really need that land?
Of course I do. I need the land because of its location.
Can't we get another one?
I need it, please.
In that case, Dad, I want us to put on hold whatever that is going on that land. You see, we need to sort things out with Enoma before this whole differences escalate into a bigger problem. I suspect Mazio Biajulo is not who he appears to be. Allow me to sort this whole thing out, and I promise you'll hear from me soon.
It's okay. As long as I will get the land. I will wait no matter how long it takes. So you're welcome.
Thank you, Dad. I'll be upstairs. Hey.
Hi, baby.
My lord. You didn't tell me you were coming.
I didn't want to stress you. I took a taxi.
Oh, it's alright. So how was your trip?
Smooth. You know what, baby? I took my annual leave to spend time with you. So,
obviously someone have been missing me, and I miss you too.
Honestly, baby, I missed you so much.
Are you sure? Oh, baby, come on, you know I can't resist. Can't resist. Oh, each time you do this, hey, listen. Remember what I told you, okay? Alright. I don't want us to start what we can't finish. Okay? Don't worry, I promise to give it to you every minute, okay? When the time is right. Okay?
I just hope you can do it now, but it's fine.
Are you sure this is where she lives? Because we have been waiting for her for the past 4 hours and yet there's no sign of her.
But I'm very sure this is where she lives. I believe she'll come out any moment from now.
Come on, man. I'm running out of patience.
Boss, I tell you, just calm down. She will come out.
Boss, here she comes. Oh. She's the one on red, right?
Yes, boss.
Good. Look at her walking majestically like a princess.
That's it, boss. She will be surprised. Because this is a surprise package.
What's that for you now?
Hey, beautiful. Sorry to disturb you. Where are you heading to? Come on, I'm talking to you. I mean no harm, okay? How can a beautiful girl like you be standing under the sun? Come on, I'm talking to you. I don't know why a beautiful girl like you will be standing under the sun all by yourself. Just tell me wherever you're going, I will take you to the place.
Really?
Yeah, I mean, you're so beautiful. You're my spec. I like you. And if that's what I need to do to get to know you, I wouldn't mind.
I am going to the mall. From there, I'll be going to the salon. It's going to be a long ride. So are you still willing to take me there?
Do I have a choice? I wouldn't mind, beautiful one. Get into the car, let's ride. Come on, let me open the door for you there.
Perfect.
I'm finally awake.
Why did you bring me here? Please let me go. I beg you, let me go. Please. Please let me go. I beg you.
Relax. Calm down.
No one is going to hurt you. See, we have a lot of catch up to do. And we're about to get started. Just calm down. See, just cooperate with me. No one will hurt you, okay? Calm down. Everything will be fine. Okay?
Let me go.
Cooperate with me.
Yes, Jay. You see, I called all of you here because from all indications, Enoma is our common enemy. I want us to devise a means. Let us strategize on how to, deal with her so decisively so she will learn her lesson. Bam. Now, I bow down for you. This is the best thing I have heard in a long while. Happy to hear this.
Jay. Jay, that girl may go me here. That girl may go me over there. That girl may go me here. Jay, whatever that you want us to do, I am in full support. When I'm in full support, 100% sure support. But I have one problem.
What could that be?
You know that girl is a fighter and she can beat all of us. So how do we go about it?
We'll take her out.
We'll take her out.
We'll take her out.
Do you have plans?
She can't face all of us. Listen, besides, she's only a woman. Just a woman.
But DJ, what's the plan? What is the plan? So we know how to go about it.
True. So this is just a dream. Thank God.
My daughter Enoma, I have a deep thought about this land dispute with your uncle. My daughter, I think we have to collect that money and leave that land for him.
Collect which money? Oh, I no try am. I no need their money. I no try am.
No, we do. We need that money. You know very well that you and I need that money. That money will go a long way to change our lives. In fact, we will travel to the city. Yes, start up a new business. Make use of our life.
But what I want to go do for city now? I tell you I want to go city. I not get business with city. And Mama, you see that land? I no go try am. I no go say I give Zobi. Not after waiting him and that useless son do to me for their house. I don't try am. Shoo.
My daughter, please, listen to me. I am your mother. I will not mislead you.
Mama, you don't they mislead me already.
I have a terrible feelings about that land. Yes.
Mama, you keep your feelings so. Who feelings help? The people where they feel for, so they get conscience. I don't try am more. I no sell, I no try am. Mama, see, even if I know say we go need this money, no be now. Yeah? Don't worry about your picking, I know what you want. But this particular person, we no go sell the land giver. No try am. No vex, yeah, no vex say I will disobey you for this one. No vex, but I no go sell this land.
Boy. Hey, it's Mama at home?
What did they do for you?
I am wondering what you would look like when you smile. Because you look beautiful with the frown on your face.
So may I clear you? No, they waste your energy, they come here. Because if my papa land, I no go sell and give you and your papa. I don't tell you, no, they waste your effort.
Is your mother in the house?
I don't know. My son.
Hey, Mama. Here you are. I came.
Come and sit down.
No, it's okay, it's okay. It's alright. It's okay, I'll sit like that. Okay. Mama, I've come to realize that Mazi Obiaju chose to sell that land without you people's consent. The thing is that my father and I...
This life is not so deep as we think of. Oh, why did I say, stop making life so difficult on you. And no, why did I say, cause whatsoever that goes around must come around one day. Whatsoever that goes around the earth must come around one day.
This one you're holding a big stick. I hope there is no problem.
Even the problem there, you go fit solve them.
Well, it depends.
What do you mean by it depends?
Enu, there is something I've actually been trying to tell you.
You don't get anything where you want to talk. They go. I get serious business what they do for here. Come on, no waste my time.
No. Enu, see, I like you.
You like me?
No, I like you.
I beg, don't be your matter, they disturb me. Just they go, carry yourself, they come out. No. I have important matters to deal with. They go.
No, I am serious.
Serious people there for hospital. Come out and make I not break your head with this stick. Come out.
It hasn't gotten to that. I like true. That's the
no,
truth.
no talk this thing again. Make I no vex. So they go. Say I be. Come out here.
Give me chance.
I give you which chance. Get out from this place. Say I be.
I like you.
I go stone you with this, you know. Make I no. Get out. See a person be. Say I dry like plantain chips. Suffer they meet suffer. Do it like canoe. You like me. Make I catch you for here again. You go something I go do you. One man, you won't like me. Suffer, I won't join suffer. Don't come here again, no. Make I see anybody where go cross my boundary. Make I see anybody where go enter this land. I go break the person head. And I don't know me, oh. This is my papa land. I go protect them, safeguard them with my life.
What God says, there's no two ways. What God says, only the what God says. What God says. For how long will you hide the sea? For how long? For how long? How much more will you keep up the lies? And the more when you
Odogo Okala. Lotana. But you do. Oluluyi.
It's enough for me.
Oluluyi. Alpha, where are you coming from?
I saw you walking and looking back. Are you after something or something is after?
I am after something. I'm bad now, but something can never be after me. I am after something.
Now you are always after something.
Latanya, as you see me now, I am the most happiest guy in this community.
No, I can see you're happy.
My biggest enemy, my worst enemy in this community is about to be taken out permanently.
What is good? What is it? Just tell me what is going on now. Again, what is it?
I'm bad now. I am a maka.
Mbano.
I'm not mono. Okay, come let me pay you.
And the help will be far from you. Someday you go pay dearly. And the help will be.
Please, I'm begging you in God's name, please do not kill me, I beg you.
You keep quiet! I will ask questions and you will answer. Do I make myself clear?
Yes, sir.
Good. Do you know Ellie's whereabouts?
No.
Don't lie to me again. I'm just being nice. Okay? Do you know Ellie's whereabouts?
No, sir, I don't. I'm telling you the truth. I don't know where she is. Please, don't kill me, I beg you, please.
When last did you see her?
She came to see me last week. Yeah. And then she said she was going to see her fiance. She never mentioned where her fiance stays.
Fiance. This is what you will do.
Oh, God.
Mommy, I went to his nursery. He's not there. Have you seen him?
Oh, he went out a while ago.
He went out without letting me know?
Sorry about that. I'm sure he should be on his way back by now.
Okay, excuse me, Mommy, I have to take this call.
Oh, it's okay.
What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? Why are you calling me? I told you I would be the one to call you.
Hello, sis. I was attacked by robbers on my way going to deposit part of the money.
What? Jeez, Eleni, you've killed me. You were what?
I am so sorry, sis. Please, I still have part of the money left with me. I need you to come get it. I am so scared at the moment. Where are you? When are you coming? Or do I bring it to you? I can bring the money to you, please.
Better shut up. Shut up. Shut up. You know what? I'll be the one. I'm coming. I'm coming. Just stay there. I'm coming. Shut up. Get out. Get out of my phone. Idiots. Simple instruction. Simple instruction.
Good God.
You see, Castro, I think we should use her number and track her location. No time to delay.
I want her to come to us. With this call, she will fall into our trap on her own. So, I need you to just relax.
But remember, time is of the essence. I'm running out of patience. You see, if we don't track that girl down, she will use all the money.
Then I will use her to recover all before I finally get rid of her.
Castro, whatever we're doing, let's do it fast. That girl is a very smart person and you know it.
Of course I do. I know what I'm doing.
It's okay. If you say so, say so.
Simple instruction. Take the money to the bank and you... Hey. How dare you? Shut! Why did you come to my room? Will you stop that rubbish? Are you mad? How dare you? What do you want?
I am sorry, Ma. Madam asked me to call you for lunch.
Tell her that I'll be there soon. Come here. Come here! Will you stop that rubbish? Did you see? Sorry, ma. Did you see anything?
No, ma, I didn't see you.
You didn't see, right?
No.
Good. And now you listen to me. If I should hear anything, any little thing about what you saw, I promise you, you will lose your job. Are we clear?
Yes.
Get out. Get out! Jeez! This was just simple instructions.
Is it right for a man to marry a girl that smokes?
It depends on the kind of smoke. You know, we have madness smoke and we have corporate smoke.
What do you mean by that? Smoke is smoke. Whether cigarettes, weed or are the same thing. Can you marry or recommend a girl that engages in such arts?
Namuje, he never reached that level now. God forbid I can never marry you. Even if they said it is a will, I reject it because even the Bible says, the thought he has for me is the thought of good but not of evil. That will give me an expected end. Genesis chapter 1 verse 1.
Which Bible is telling you that one? Your own Bible? Yes. Or the one I have? Here.
Yeah. So, wait first. Why you take ask me this kind of dangerous question?
My dear, never mind. I'm doing something inside. I'm coming.
Hey, Amuche, come back first. Don't just go like that. You just come ask me question. You won't go like that. Amuche, how about that thing now when me and you don't be discussing?
Something both of us have been discussing.
Yes.
We have discussed a lot of things. Which one are you talking about?
I mean the main discussion. The hit one. I mean the real discussion that we have been discussing. Okay, now let me remind you now. I mean the discussion of us becoming more close friends. I mean, Amuche, I mean the discussion of us becoming more emotional friends. Amuche, I mean the discussion of us becoming future partners that will be producing children.
Which children are you talking about? Which stupid children are you talking about?
Ajay.
Listen to me. We have no future together. So why will I tell you this? What's all this? See, that both of us are working here doesn't make us equal. Do you hear me? We can never be equal. Not in this life, not in life.
Amuche, you come down now. Why they talk like this? Don't look at my condition today. I am only maltreated by nature. Give me a few time, I will explode. See, let me tell you, the future is bright. It's better for you to join hand with me today that I am starting. So that by the time I arrive, you arrive too. You know they hear that song they say, tomorrow will be brighter than today.
Which stupid tomorrow are you talking
It
about?
is better we join today so that you not regret tomorrow.
Don't mention my name again. Do you hear me?
Even all this code where I don't dey code now, you still dey hard. You don't see now. Because of your bad character, you won't hit your face. Hi. Scale is making me emotional. Hi. Amuche, the future will be better than today. Hi. I go still love you. Instead of you to give me this small chance and you are doing anyhow. See, I go make a move. The future will be better than today. This girl is making me emotional right now. Don't worry, very soon you will change your mind and you come back and tell me, I am ready. And I'll tell you also to give me time. I'll be making shakara for you. Is it not in this house? This one and I'm making mouth like this. I'm sure that my future will be better.
Mama, I don't come back, oh. Mama? So why do they open like this? Mama? 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 Why have we a day open like this? Mama? 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 What's in the apple? Mama? She's not a big one. Mama! Where she come there now? Eh?
Who is banging the gate at this hour of the night?
Okay.
Who is at the gate?
Okay, no, ma'am.
What does she want?
Okay, I don't know. She just said, open the gate, open the gate, open the gate.
Dad, I suggest we let her in. Her coming here tonight might be urgent.
Let her in.
Okay, okay.
mama.
Why would your mother be in this place? Huh? I don't know what you're talking about. This is the most hilarious thing I've heard today. Why would your mother be in this house?
I don't understand. Now you I see with my mama last before I come out for house. Since I come back from where I go, I never see my mama. I don't call her tired, she know they pick her calls. From morning till now, I never see my mama. Where you keep her?
What is she talking about?
Dad, I went to her house as regards to our last discussion. I had a fruitful conversation with her mother after she walked out on me. But I left her mother right there and I came back home. So what are you talking about?
Where you keep my mama? Why she know they take her calls? Where you keep her?
I have no idea.
Lies! You be bloody liar! You know say this big man get on and they do nothing. I beg. Anywhere where you keep my mama, bring her and come out. Because if I not provide my mama, I don't come out for this household. Now yeah, I go start food. I don't go anywhere. I don't come out. I beg. If you get anything what I don't do, when he begs you, forgive me. That woman are the only thing when I get. I don't want to make anything happen to her. I beg, give me. Anywhere where you keep her, bring her and come out. I take God, beg you. I beg.
Listen, honestly, your mother is not in this house. Okay, just stand. I promise to help you look for her.
No, come on here. No, come on here. Anyway, I want to keep my mama. I want to bring her more. I want to bring her. I know, come on here. The only shit I get. I don't get another person for this. My papa don't die. The only my mama I get. I beg go. I beg go. I give my mama. I give my mama. No, come on here. I know, come on here.
Enuma. Enuma. Anybody here? I hope they've not captured her too. Oh, Chineke, hi God, no, this cannot. Enuma, anybody here? Anybody here?
Is she awake already?
No, she's not awake.
Why?
Go.
Are you sure she's still alive?
I don't know.
Also, what is holding us for executing the main plan? Which is the next plan, which is the main plan also. What is happening?
Obadi, that woman.
Hey, how now? You asking me how? How can you ask me that question now? When it's obvious that you're the one that used that stuff on her. Wait, let me ask you. Are you sure you didn't use overdose of that drugs on her?
Akwani, huh?
Hey! What are we going to do? What are we going to do?
Also, get me water.
Also,
water.
Go. What did I just... Also, where are you now? She's not with you. She's not with you. What are we going to do?
Time to go out. Let's go out.
What are we supposed to do? What are we supposed to do?
Amuche! Hey, Enuma! Thank God you are safe. Where have you been?
I did everywhere to find my mama. My mama they miss.
Hey.
I beg you see my mama.
I didn't see her.
That is why we are here too. Looking for you.
Hey.
Eh?
I beg you see my mama.
See her.
See, the thing is, I don't really know where she is, but I think I know someone who might know where she is.
I beg who be the person? Eh?
Who?
Who be the person?
Who is the person? Banya, enter. Let us go. Let me take you there. Enter. All right. Let me take you there.
Don't forget that the universe is watching. Someday you go pay dearly. And the help will be far from you. Someday you go pay dearly. And the help.
Wait. What do we do now? We won't allow her die on us. Oma won't die in our car.
Iche.
Huh?
Iche. She still has pulse, so she's not dead.
Okay, you come.
So I think I have to rush and buy something, anything to revive her. Anything. I think we just have to.
Good idea.
It's fine. Anything we have to do. Let's just do it fast. Please, me, I don't want trouble. I don't want trouble.
Why are you so afraid?
I don't want her.
A young man like you. Why are you so afraid? Look, all over you, fears all over you.
I don't want trouble. If I want to deal with that Enuma. I don't want my mother to die in my hand. Guy, you're giving me anxiety now. Let me focus. Why are you doing like this? I don't like this you're doing. Let anxiety come. I don't want trouble.
I like your moral.
You people should not make noise, please. Calm your voice.
I
don't want trouble. I don't want trouble. I know that girl is
making me angry. You're a young man. You're so terrified.
What? Leave my mama. Where you keep my mama?
You know what I'm saying?
Leave my mama.
Yeah, mama.
Where you keep her?
I don't know what you're saying.
I will slap you. They're mad. Where you keep my mama?
What did I do you now?
What did she do you?
Kai.
Where you keep her?
Utanda.
Where you keep my mama?
Utanda.
Where you keep her?
Enuma, please.
Hey. Where you keep my mama?
Sorry.
Where you keep my mama?
It's okay. Enuma, please. Oba.
Yeah?
Oba. Please, they already know. Just tell them where you're keeping her. Biko.
Utanda.
Where you keep her? Where you keep her? No, that's me.
Speak up. Where you keep my mama now?
Thank you. Bye-bye. My regards to your parents.
Mama.
What is it?
Hey. What is the problem? I saw some boy taking my bush.
Enuma!
Yes.
My daughter!
I'm telling you. Where are you going to? Mama, you don't have this. Let's go. Let's go.
Enuma! Hey! Enuma!
Where?
The outcome of this call will determine if you will live or die. And make sure you get her address from her.
Please, don't hurt me, don't kill me, please. I promise I'll do my best. Please.
Honey, what did he say?
He said they have information about her whereabouts.
Ah, thank God. Thank God. Ah! Thank God. Ah. Thank you, God. Hey!
You cannot rest. Excuse me.
Hello, DPO. Yes. Please send your boys right now.
What is wrong with you? I told you not to call me, that I will be the one calling you. What is it? What? How do you expect me to come out of here? I can't possibly live here with all the things that is happening around me. You know what? If you can come over, that's fine. Except you're going to be the one to come over. Fine, come over. If not, okay, see. Please, I beg you, hold that money well. I am going to test you the address. Okay? I said I will test you the address. Hold the money well. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye.
You just have another chance to leave. And it's going to be a very long ride. I'm tired.
Lotanna, you betrayed me, your friend. Lotanna, no problem. I hear.
Bad welcome. Bad bike when you were on biko. Mana okwana to akọ wadi ibo ye metele bi hana esu ni biko ewo ni iwe. Biko, bagala. One.
Sorry. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
Oh,
easy,
sorry.
easy,
I'm sorry.
easy, mama.
Help.
Easy. Ndo. Sorry. Sorry.
Change into this. Did you hear what I said?
Won't you at least give me space to change?
What? Do it fast.
Baby, are you going out?
Yes.
Would you mind if I follow you, because I'm going to be lonely once you leave?
Oh.
Please.
I understand how you feel, my love. But don't stress yourself. I will be back before you know it. I'm going to the hospital to pick up Enuma and her mother to the house. And then I'll come back. Alright? So, I'll see you.
Okay, if you say so.
It's alright, my darling. Alright. I'll be back, okay? Cheers.
Alright, bye.
Bye.
See how decent she look. I will definitely find a way to expose her to Madame. Apamwa. She has never seen anything.
Amu, you don't close for today?
No, Madame sent me on an errand.
Amu, what about that thing now we, me and you discussed the last time?
Me and you? When?
Yes, me and you now. See, if like say you know being understand the song why I sing that day, that the future will be better than today. See, let me tell you, I swear to God, I will not become this gate man forever. Believe you me, I will not become gate man forever. God forbid. See, me and Eze, we don't get alignment. And the alignment we say, Ingo send me make I go city. By the time I reach city, I'll be established. In fact, I know how to manage things. I'll become a manager of a very big company. And by the time I become a manager of a very big company, oh my God, I'll buy you a car. Yes, I'll buy you a big car. In fact, I'll buy you the latest car. You'll be sitting down, you'll be driving and say, oh my God, thank you that I did not refuse this guy. Yo. This guy don't buy me car. This guy don't come marry me. Oh God, thank you. You even go and give testimony in church. So, how about that?
It's like you watch a lot of movies. Keep dreaming.
See, it is better you are saying I am dreaming. Yes, Joseph in the Bible was a dreamer. Joseph in the Bible was a dreamer and he became the prime minister. By the time I finish dreaming, I'll become the prime minister of this country. And I talk, she don't go. Who be that? Okay, hold on, I'm coming. Come down now. I say, hold on. You want to fly? Oh, just do anyhow. You do anyhow. Don't open this gate again.
Smile. Do nonsense. Smile. Hey, I am still in the house. Back. Hey. Smile. Good boy.
To my house.
Alina.
Keep quiet, woman. I'm not here for you. I'm here for my money.
Money. Alina.
I'm sorry, sis. Sorry.
What is going on here?
Quiet, old man. Sit down. I'm not here for you.
Sit down and smile.
And where's my remaining money?
I don't know.
Good. Marco,
Boss.
follow her to the room and get my money.
Yes, boss. Everybody, takes down! Now! Yes. Krista! Raise your head. Meet you in hell. Move. Raise your head. See you in hell. Where's the money? Keep moving, stress.
Calm down, everyone. I'm not here to hurt anybody. Okay? Leo, check if the money is coming.
It's not complete. We have only $150,000 here.
You heard him. What did you do with my money?
The money belongs to me too. I worked my ass out for it. If you had paid me off as we agreed, this would have happened.
I can see that you have grown some balls, huh? Anyways, I heard that your boyfriend came back from abroad. He should have enough dollars to save his so-called fiancé. So, where is he? Ask again.
Come get him, let me see.
I am right here. What can I do for you?
Good question. Well, good question. Your fiancé stole my money and she has spent some part of the money. So as it stands now, I'm not living here until I have my complete money. So you go in there and get me my 50K dolls. I believe you have more than that.
Yes, I do. But not in the room. I have some dollars in my car outside.
No, boss.
Move. Aren't you coming?
I like this guy. After you.
Please don't give them any money.
Shut your trap and go down.
Nobody moves.
There you talk. Go down! Stop staring me like a moron.
Hold it there! Drop that uniform! I said drop it! Hands up! Hold on. Hands up! Hands up! Move!
Take him away.
Move! Move on it! Move! Move! Move on it! I said move. You look back again. Move!
Officer, one of them is left inside. Yes, there are 3 numbers. He's gone.
Stay behind.
All right.
Right, officer. Hold it there. Young man, you are under arrest for the offense of robbery and conspiracy. I advise you remain silent, for whatever you say or do will be used against you in the court of law. We have to move!
Oh shit.
I said move it!
Oh shit.
Move! Move! Move it!
Hey, stand up.
Oh.
Everyone stand up.
Oh, yummy. Yummy.
Stand up.
Something's
It's okay, Mom. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Sorry. Yeah. It's okay. Stop. We have enough.
Thank you so much, my son. Thank you for everything you've done for us. May the good Lord continue to keep and bless you.
Amen.
In Jesus' name.
It's okay, Mama. Thank God you feel better now. Actually, I came to check on you.
Thank you.
You look good when you speak this way. I urge you to keep it up, okay? This way. Keep it up.
Hey, Enoma. Enoma. I saw some armed men storming to the house.
What?
There's a big problem now. We have to run out of here.
Wait. Armed men?
Yes.
Now to go call police. Now make we go call police.
Oh, no. I will have to go to the station, okay? So I'll get some policemen.
And we go together.
No. Let me go alone. Alright? Don't worry, I will be safe.
Just stay
here. Be careful, oh.
It's alright. It's alright.
Let's go.
Thank God you came right in time, son. Eh? Only God knows what would have happened. Eleanor, how could you be involved with such people? And to think I was taking you to be a decent girl.
Mommy, I'm sorry. After my dad died, things became very hard. And to maintain the kind of life I was used to, I got involved in some bad thieves. I let the quest for money override my actions. Please, Mommy. Please, Daddy. Please, Izu. Forgive me. I'm sorry.
So you think sorry can fix this? So everything you have been telling us are all lies. I was thinking that you would make a perfect wife for my son, not knowing that I am wrong. Anyway, thank God things turned out this way. Listen, you have till this evening to leave my house. And I don't want to see you anywhere around my house or around any member of my family. Rubbish. You're sorry. Don't touch me.
Elinor will give you open arms to our home, but not anymore. Not anymore. Not anymore.
I'm sorry, Izu. I don't know where to start, but I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I have nowhere to go. I'm sorry.
A broken thread cannot be fixed. We cannot be together anymore. I will give you enough money to start up a life. You should be grateful for that.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Sir, your farmland don't create many job opportunities for youths when they this community. I go be a bad daughter of the soil if I no give you our farmland. So, because of everything where you don't do for this community and for the youths, me and my mama don't decide to give you our farm on lease.
That's thoughtful of you. You are indeed a true daughter of the soil. You raised your daughter very well. And I'm sure, whatever your husband is, you'll be proud of her. So thank you so much.
You're welcome. You're welcome, sir.
Wow, thank you. This is a welcome development. Thank you, Mama.
Thank you.
Thank you. Wow, Dad.
This life is not so deep as we think of. Oh, like I say, stop making life so difficult on you.
What did they do for you? Why you dressed like this?
How do I look? Well, I came so that we can go for palm wine tapping together. I came prepared, as you can see. Shall we?
Only the will of God must what God says. There's no two ways. What God says, only the what God says must what God says. There's no two ways. And when you Bagalicia, Jesus, let's go. I jump back, Bagalicia, Ikabugo. And when you Bagalicia, Jesus, I jump back, Bagalicia, Ikabugo. Don't judge a book by its cover. And then here with a my hologram. Don't conclude yet, Iburachubu. Only Papa God has the final say. And no one did a work I see low. Makobule Lulamadu, Ikabu Bam Bam. This life is not so deep as we think of. Oh, what did I say, life is not so deep as we think of. And no one did I say, cause whatsoever that goes around must come around one day. Whatsoever that goes around the earth must come around one day. If you only the will of God must happen in this world, there's no two ways. If you only the will of God must happen in this world, there's no two ways. What God says, only the what God says must happen in this world, there's no two ways. And when you Jesus